Hey y'all. Okay, so do you remember a while back when I first got here, how I did a walk along a river that's near where I live? Okay, so that was in March, I think, like mid-March. Right now it is December 30th? December 29th? Something like that. And this is the exact same river, but it's a bit chillier now and it snowed last night, so it's covered with snow. So let's go for a little walk along the same river that I went on a long, long time ago. It's really beautiful. So it goes on forever, basically. I'm pretty sure you could watch the Han River from here if you really kept going. I usually like to walk along here for a couple of hours every day. Not so much in the winter, because it's cold, it's cray-hay, but I try. But it's really, really beautiful, no matter what season, I find. Although I will say that like midpoint between spring and winter is kind of dead looking, but with the snow all over it right now, it's beautiful, as usual. So, I love Korea. Alright, bye y'all. Love your faces. See you later.